If you've received a DramaBox gift code and you're not sure how to redeem it, the process is straightforward as long as you know where to look. Start by making sure the DramaBox app is installed on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go to the Play Store or App Store, search for DramaBox, and install the app. After the installation finishes, open it, and you'll see a basic terms or welcome screen. Just tap accept to continue. Once you're inside the app, go to your profile section. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to register first. Creating an account is necessary because gift codes can only be applied to logged in profiles. After you're logged in, look for the gift, redeem, or benefits area. Depending on your app version, the name might look slightly different, but it will always be found inside your profile settings or rewards section. When you open the gift code area, you'll see a box where you can either type or paste your code. Enter the full code exactly as you received it, then tap redeem. If the code is valid, your reward should appear instantly. Usually this includes things like temporary access to certain shows, bonus episodes, or occasional free perks. Keep in mind that DramaBox gift codes do not unlock paid features such as VIP access, in-app coins, or premium subscriptions. These codes are designed only for free rewards or limited promotional items. If your code doesn't work, there are a few reasons why. Some codes have a usage limit, meaning they stop working once too many people have redeemed them. Others have expiration limits, so even if you enter it correctly, it won't redeem if the promotional period is already over. Double check the spelling, try again, and if you still get an error, the code is likely no longer valid.